We've expanded our line of steel skeleton products to our brand new steel skeleton plywood banquet table. As you'll notice, unlike traditional plywood banquet tables that have wood runners along the sides, this has a steel frame all along. So it's not just along the sides, but along the edges here, and even a metal bracing. This is simply the strongest plywood banquet table you'll ever find with our steel skeleton frame.
One more enhancement we made to this table is what we call the edging. The edging is, our standard is better than the typical, and it's called C-channel. This wraps around the edge of the plywood table, clamps around it, keeps it very secure, keeps it safe, and with this table we've added E-channels. Can you see the difference? You'll never see this one. This gets embedded into the plywood levels, and then the outside wraps around it. C-channel and E-channel, this is the best, only at Chivari.
Now, of course, guys, we could have gone with a simple C-channel, made it more affordable, it costs less, but we didn't. Why? Because we're investing in the highest quality products you can find anywhere. Get yours today at Chivari.com.